Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. She does not remember the excess moment she feel love with the dress. Only that it feel like a combination like something ancient in her soul. Learn forward and whispers that they are you. The moments, the fabrics touched her skin. It was if you paused. The noise faded. The mirrors did not matter. Not a garment, not a trend, not a label. If it was a reflection, a memory she did not leave yet, a promise waiting to fulfill. The journey to this moment had not been simple. There were lack of option, glossy magazine, whisper for wall meaning voice and bride of the dress. Imagine to believe to cry. Dad leave her died in that wounds. Woman allow herself to imagine, to believe, to cry, to hope. She look at her reflection, not custom, but with she titters, head and wonders. All this what loves look like, not from another person, but herself. And sometime when he find she realized she did not just choose it. It chose her to the dress did not lack, and that reminds her from her mother's wedding portraits. The last that feels like summer evening, or her grandmother's are paused. The train that trails behind her likes all the moments that led her. Every heartbeat, every first dance, every night she thought love would never find her. And now love is everywhere in them. So beautiful dress. She thought love would never find her, and her level is forever. Tailored in the quickly, she breathes to herself or everyone else, someone. The wedding is about of the ceremony. Present for that moment of then comes when she steps into the dress, the right dress, the only dress. Suddenly is not just about being a bride, it's about being her. The fabric moves differently when she walks. It's not just elegance, it's confidence, born not from being seen but from finally seeing herself. She may still nervous. Her hand made my shakes, but the dress hold her like a second skin, like from armor, like a friend's compliments her all. The dress, the dress simply helped her believe it. And long after the row outside, after the petals are the swept away and the photographics are framed, the memory of the dress remains. Took it carefully in a closet, a folder into a box. Her leather, the scenes of that refined is not just to someone